with highest honors. Stam is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Maridel L. Rosario. He wants to become a seaman. Stam will receive the Governor's Academic Excellence Award, Conduct Award, RCY Citation Award, Outstanding Journalist of the Year, Campus Journalist Excellence Award, BSP Excellence in Scouting Award, Scouting Commitment Award, BSP Outstanding Scout Leader Awardee, SSLG Service and Leadership Awardee, 4th place in debate during the Festival of Talents, 2nd place in Same Day Edit during the Children's Month celebration, 1st place in Bandaging and Transport during the Division Jamboree, 1st place in Scout Formation during the Division Jamboree, and overall champion in Scout Formation during the Provincial Jamboree. Ladies and gentlemen, Stam Fletcher L. Rosario with highest honors.